Tolentino, they have not been allowed to enjoy the full privileges and rights of a Filipino citizen. Yan yung ano. And then I want to end our hearing today with the singing of the national anthem to be led by our applicants. Okay? We will do it after when we end our hearing. So we now proceed to part 3 on the resolution of Senator Tolentino. Nabasa naman po ninyo. So let's go direct to the point. Ano ba yung Senator Tolentino will make his
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chairman. Ito pong resolusyong ito, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, ay na-file ko pa ito nung mga 2 taon na ito. Ito po yung tinatanong ng marami. Na-file po ito July 26, 2023. Almost 2 years. So tinatanong nila, bakit daw po tayo pag nagna-naturalize ng direkta na ako yung mga PBA, yung mga players natin dating import sa PBA, pag naging Pilipino na, may Filipino passport na, nakatira dito, paglaro sa PBA, import pa rin. Hindi pwedeng lumaro sa All Filipino. Hindi pwedeng lumaro sa anuman liga ng Pilipino ang namumuno. So, kagaya nung sinagot kanina ni Ma'am Rica, wag muna kayo umalis. Kagaya nung, ito si Rica. Kagaya nung mga tugon kanina, sila ay Pilipino na. Bakit pinagkakait kanila yung ibang karapatan? Pwede na rin sila maging Philippine Sports Commissioner. Di ba? Bakit hindi sila makalaro sa PBA as a local? Ganon din po siguro yung ibang in-naturalize namin. Recently, we have naturalized Mr. Alexander Korobin from Russia. Pilipino na pag napirmahan ni Presidente. Pero ang alam ko, makakalaro siya sa mga skating tournaments dito kung meron. Ganon din po yung sa mga jiu-jitsu. Ganon din po yung sa mga ibang sports. Bakit sa basketball ay bawal sa PBA maglaro ang Pilipino? Bakit may discrimination? Pag Pilipino ka, hindi ka makalaro. Kahit pa holder ka na, pwede ka naman tumakbong barangay captain. Pero bawal kang maglaro sa PBA. Bakit ganon ang discrimination ng PBA? Pwede siyang magtrabaho, pwede siyang ma-elect. Mapera na lang doon sa nangangailangan ng requirement na natural born siya. And yet, hindi siya makalaro as a Filipino. Yun ang nakalagay ba doon sa secretary, nakalagay ba doon sa naturalization law natin na the said naturalized Filipino, for example, Justin Brownlee will only be a Filipino once he play abroad? Di ba? Filipino na siya for all intents and purposes. The same is true with Marcos Douthit. The same is true with Andre Blanche. Si Kwame practice player na lang. Hindi naman nakakalaro na. Nandun na lang sa import na rin siya. Kahit dito pa nag-aral sa Ateneo. So yung po, kasi marami pang ganon similarly situated. So may we ask from the Philippine Sports Commission, the Department of Labor, the Solicitor General muna. Unahin natin Solicitor General. Pwede ba maglaro na yung Pilipino sa Filipino League?
Senator, if I do not recall any law barring barring naturalized Filipinos to play in those kind of leagues, Your Honor. And
wala nagbabawal. Can he study law? Can he study law? Can he enter a law school and take the bar exams?
Naturalized Filipinos can take exercise their professions.
So pwede maging judge?
Yes. Judge, I think judges...
Piskal, pwede maging piskal.
If I remember correctly...
pwede maging state solicitor, gaya mo?
I think RTC judges are required to be natural born.
State solicitor, gaya mo?
State solicitor...
Pwede maging chief PNP?
I am not aware of the qualifications for Chief PNP.
Yun na nga. So, tuloy mo lang yung sagot mo. There is no law barring them from?
Yeah, barring them from playing in those leagues as Filipinos, Mr. Senator.
Si Department of Labor.
May we read our position paper, sir? We support the intention of the resolution, particularly in protecting the naturalized citizen against any discrimination. May we note that the DOLE ensures equitable employment opportunities for all. Thus, the programs of the DOLE are inclusive and may be availed by the natural citizens. For the Senate Resolution number 701, we kindly defer the expertise and wisdom of the appropriate agencies as to the participation of the naturalized citizens in joining local leagues po, such as the PSC and the BISN. Thank you po.
Before we continue, the chair acknowledges the presence of Senator Mark Villar. Thank you, sir. Okay, go ahead. Senator
So, ang tanong po, Department of Justice, bawal ba maglaro?
Your Honor, I also do not recall any prohibition on the matter, Your Honor. So maybe
So kung walang prohibition, yung gumagawa noon ang nagva-violate.
it would depend on the law on the matter, Your Honor.
Hindi, sabi mo
But-
nga walang prohibition, walang law.
Yes, Your Honor. As of now, you know, I don't recall any law
Yun.
on the
So
matter.
ang violator ngayon dito ay PBA. Anong ibig sabihin ng PBA? Hindi Philippine Bar Association.
The Philippine Basketball Association. Your
Philippine Basketball Association. May we ask the PBA or the PSC as to their positions on the matter?
Yeah, to your question kanina for Simon Yo, if he's going to be a Filipino citizen, can he play golf already? There are certain sports na yung IF has a ruling na they have a number of years eligibility. For example, squash, they have a 3-year eligibility, so they can't play right away. For in sa FIBA kay Brownlee, they're allowed to play right away as a Filipino, so pwede. So each IF, each sport has a different number of years eligibility. But for our local programs, we do support and we do allow them to join our programs po.
For your part, sir, payag kayo na maglaro si Brownlee as a Filipino?
It's also a tricky situation because of the parity of the league. I understand that PBA has their own house rules. We are actually we're trying to the parity of the league and with the teams na who can afford yun naturalized or Filipino players na who have been naturalized.
So what you're saying is that the law is now subject to the discretion of the applicable league, whether they will follow the law or not. Ganun
Yeah,
po
for
ba?
Philippine Sports Commission, ako amateur lang naman eh. This is
Oo.
professional, so it's totally different po.
Oo. So, yes.
Senator Bongo, sir, wants to deliver a statement.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, go ahead.
Senator Tol, our Majority Floor Leader, distinguished colleagues, no? Matagal rin po akong PBA fan and as chairperson of the Committee on Sports. In fact, we principally sponsored Senate Bill 2518 or the Philippine National Games Bill, which we pass. Naturalized players are allowed to participate since they are already considered as Filipinos. Under Article 4, Section 1 of the Philippine Constitution, those who are naturalized in accordance with law are citizens of the country. Naturalization is a legal process that grants individuals the rights and privileges of citizenship. When a player undergoes this process, they pledge their allegiance to our country and embrace our culture and values, which is why it is only fitting that they should be afforded with the same opportunities as natural-born citizens, especially in the sports where unity and realms of sports where unity and teamwork are paramount. The current policy, which only allows naturalized players to participate as imports, may limit their potential and which runs contrary to our constitution. Kaya nga po, pinasa natin itong Philippine National Games para makapaglaro na. Kasama na yung mga naturalized players. Bukod pa dito, ang mga contribution ng ating mga naturalized players sa ating national team, Gilas Pilipinas, ay hindi maaring baliwalain, no? Ang mga manlalaro tulad nila Marcos Doutit, Andre Blas,